Need pickup lines to rizz up your crush? Whether over text or in person, the secret is to keep your vibe light and your delivery genuine. If you want to be sweet, try something innocent like, "Are you a keyboard? Because you're just my type." Feeling bold? Lean into the cheese with, "Do you have a map? Because I just got lost in your eyes." For a guy who loves to laugh, go with, "Is your name Wi-Fi? Because I'm definitely feeling a connection." If he's the intellectual type, try something clever like, "Are you my wisdom teeth? Because I have a feeling I should take you out as soon as possible." The best lines work when you don't take yourself too seriously, so pair your one-liner with a warm smile and don't be afraid to laugh at the corniness. When you're ready to show real confidence, try a smooth closer. "Do you have a name, or can I just call you mine?" Whether he rolls his eyes or blushes, you've officially broken the ice.